A dosage of 15 milligrams with a volume of 3 mLs is to be diluted to 70 mLs and administered in 50 minutes. So to find the volume of diluent, we want it to be 70, and we're starting out with 3, so that's going to be 67 mLs of diluent. The diluent is most likely going to be just sterile water. Okay, so for the flow rate in mLs per hour, we are not going to be using the flow rate formula like in 1 and 2, but let's look at what we know. We know that the 70 mLs is being administered in 50 minutes. So we know that the rate is 70 mLs per 50 minutes. So we just need to know what that is in per hour. And I can convert this to 60 minutes. So 70 times 60 divided by 50, and we get 84. So 70 mLs per 50 minutes is the same thing as 84 mLs per hour.